Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily enable Office connected experiences in your Office or Microsoft Word. Let's begin. First, open up Microsoft Word on your Windows. And from here, focus your attention at the upper left portion of your screen. Click on File. Hover down, you will see the option to click on Account. Go ahead, click on it. Account privacy, click on Manage Settings. From here, just simply scroll down. We will begin at the very bottom. Make sure these are ticked or selected or enabled. Turn on all connected experiences. Turn on experiences that download online content. And finally, turn on experiences that analyze your content. Double check everything, click OK. You may restart MS Word and you're done. You have now successfully enabled offices or connected experiences in your MS Word. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.